Sam is a visionary in a variety of ways. From our perspective at the university, he has been a longtime supporter of the health administration program. He's actually an alum of our program, which is great, and he has really taken to task, I think, more than many of our alums. I think he's probably one of the most distinguished alumni in terms of working with students and trying to help them find their place in the community and teaching them about different aspects of the healthcare system. He's been a remarkable mentor to a lot of people, not only students but long-time career professionals in the healthcare system. He has never refused a request to take on a student mentee, which I find pretty extraordinary for a man as busy as he is.
I have lots of great memories of Sam working with Scoutreach. The most memorable one is his sort of general attitude, though, is he always says yes. I have never asked Sam to do something for kids to hear him say no. He is yes Sam to me.
Sam is very open about his passion of community, and he brings you along with that, and you just can't help but feel his enthusiasm for all that.
Sam's ability to view his role in the community as bringing together the private sector along with the nonprofit and community is unparalleled. He has been such a great volunteer. He understood that his contacts, his business contacts, were also people who would be interested in community service, and he was not hesitant at all to open up his address book to call on people to help us out. He created a business structure on our cabinet to use that structure to serve the community, to raise more money, and also to bring more awareness around United Way, because what he understood was that for the business community to get engaged, they have to really understand what we're doing. And he was excellent at making that point and creating awareness and really pushing us to do that as well.
So he always knows who to bring to the table when there's a project. He has brought his church, his medical clinics, all through our scouting cause, which is the one I'm most familiar with. He's got so many friends and relationships. He likes to gather people around.
Sam is very committed to the community, and whether it's the community of our city and his leadership with United Way and the Boy Scouts and others, or whether it's his community of his healthcare profession, which is his leadership with Indiana University Health, Methodist Hospital, other hospitals within our statewide community.
He also is a very big champion for thinking about the connection between community development and healthcare quality. We actually had, he was one of the organizers of what was referred to as a CEO roundtable, which was really trying to bring the community together, and business leaders and healthcare leaders and academic leaders and just community organizers together to address health disparities, both in the city of Indianapolis and really across the state. And so he was part of that group that really championed trying to address health disparities, particularly around obesity, mental health, and tobacco prevention.
A great example of a public-private partnership was ITT, a school that serves the community and serves a segment of the population that certainly is a segment that United Way also serves, and he understood that, and he provided an introduction between United Way and them and helped us both understand the value that we both bring and the partnership that we could have, and it turned into a wonderful long-term relationship that benefited the community as well as helped elevate the level of awareness of the school. And so it was great. And he can see those things so clearly, which is why he's such a great volunteer.
Sam's character is such that all day, every day, Sam is helping others, supporting, promoting, encouraging, connecting. And in Sam's role in his senior leadership position at IU Health, he has a real understanding of the importance of what the hospital is as a community asset.
He really sees a role that his role is helping to train the next generation of healthcare leaders. He did this in a variety of ways, not only locally in terms of working with students and faculty and programs and his own staff, but he was also for a year as chairman of the American College of Healthcare Executives, and has been a very active leader in some of the local chapters trying to pull healthcare leaders together. He's really an incredible volunteer as well. I mean, he gives us incredible amounts of time to various community causes. He's really somebody who sort of lives his values, and I think that speaks to his character. He's just an incredible man.
I've heard so many people in the community when Sam was our chair saying how lucky you are to have Sam Odle as the chair of the United Way campaign, because Sam can do anything, and the respect he has in this community opened doors for us. The character that he has of a person that you can depend on, who gets things done, who loves his community and does the work because it's the right thing to do, and really is very humble about it. Very much a person who doesn't take credit. He simply says, we're all a team and we do it together, but it was clearly his leadership and vision that got us to where we did, and that was an amazing year.
He's a very calming influence, and one of the things that I really appreciate and respect about Sam is his incredible, very quiet leadership style, but he brings a lot of wisdom to the community, and I think I'm really delighted that he's getting this award. I think all of us at the IUPUI and the Health Administration Program think this is a well-deserved award.
Our current president, Tom Easterday, likes to quote a saying that reminds me of Sam, which is, if you want to go fast, travel alone. If you want to go far, bring others. And Sam embodies that idea of bringing others along.